Alright guys, so today we're going to make some rice and peas. Just going over the ingredients. We have some red kidney beans. We have some coconut milk. We have some salt, garlic. We have some butter. We have some onions chopped up. We have some thyme, some scallion, and also a Scotch bonnet pepper. And last but not least, we have the rice. So first things first, we're going to have to make sure that the peas is cooked properly, nice and soft. So we'll go ahead and go over to the stove and add the peas to boiling water. And that's going to take quite some time to cook, probably about 35 minutes to 50 minutes, somewhere around there. But we'll go through a process, and then after the peas is cooked, we'll add the additional ingredients to the pot. Alright, so we're going to add the peas. We'll add some of the salt. Add the garlic. Drop in the thyme and scallion so we can get all that flavor cooked into the peas. And we'll also add the onions. So we're going to let this cook for quite some time. We're going to cover it down and keep the heat at about medium. And we'll make sure that we keep our eye on it and add warm water as we need to. Alright, so once the peas is fully cooked, you just want to make sure you test it. Yes, they're nice and soft. Just take one out and go ahead and test it. Alright, so that's fully cooked. Next step will be to add our coconut milk. Nice and creamy. Mix that around. We're going to add our butter. We're just going to leave that for about a minute. Just let everything simmer, and then we're going to add the rice. So after the minute, we're going to go ahead and add the rice. I didn't mention my preference in rice. I like to use jasmine rice. I feel like it cooks better than all the other rices, apart from basmati rice. But jasmine rice is my preference. Go ahead and mix that around. Get the peas and everything mixed into the rice. Go ahead and add our Scotch bonnet pepper right on top. Cover that. And we're going to keep the stove real low so it cooks slowly. You don't want to rush it because then the water dries up before the rice is cooked. So we turn it down on low, and we'll just check in on it periodically throughout the process. Alright, so after the water starts to dry down, you start seeing a little more like rice and peas. So what we're going to do, we're going to take a piece of foil paper and we're going to create an airtight seal so we lock in the steam. Put the cover on, keep the fire on low, and just make sure that the rice cooks through fully and make it nice and what we like to call shelly rice. It smells so good with the flavor of the Scotch bonnet pepper, that coconut milk, everything that's in there, the thyme, everything. Scallion, real nice. Look at that. So we serve this up. We can serve it up with some fried chicken, brown stew chicken, really any type of meat. Oxtails, rice and peas go with anything, especially on a Sunday in Jamaica. Thanks for watching again, and bless up.